Welcome to the effort of me HardReset, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint here to the scanner on the power key button, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the fingerprint scanner works here so fast. I just simply touch the power key. I'm not just pressing it, so just by this way. As you can see, that works correct. I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.